Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how we can make the elevation profile on the Google Earth. For this I have opened my Google Earth Pro software and I have typed here Nepal because I wanted to make profile line on any place on Nepal. You also can make profile line on any place you want, and then you have to click on add path as shown by the arrow, and you have to give it a name. For example, I'm giving it a name as elevation profile, as you can see here on the screen. And I'm going to change the style and color of the line to make the line more visible, and I'm going to increase the width of the line. You also can increase or decrease the width of the line to make it clearly visible as per your requirement. And I have digitized here few points to make the line, and I'm going to click on OK and save it. Now our profile line has already been saved, and on the left side you can double click on elevation profile, and on the second last option you can see that show elevation profile option. You can just double click there, and as soon as you double click there, your required elevation profile will immediately appear on the screen. Like this way you can see the maximum elevation and the minimum elevation, and when you click on any place on the profile, the elevation of that place will be shown by the arrow, as you can see the red arrow on the screen. Okay, thank you for watching.